of the most important things when annotating is to develop a system that you're able to use consistently across your classes. Once you have a repertoire of symbols, you'll find that you will need far less time for review. So let's take a look at some of the symbols that I expect you to use for this class. You may want to add others from some of the resources that you've been looking at. First of all, you can use arrows to show a cause and effect relationship, or if two items go together, you can draw an arrow from one to the other. That helps to, draw the eye to the connection between those two ideas. Be sure to use boxes or circles in a purposeful way. Some people prefer to box in vocabulary words, even though they're usually in a bold color in our textbooks. Other people always prefer to circle important dates or any key points that they want to try to remember. Another expectation is that you will always take some type of marginal notes. These marginal notes go in the margin, as they would suggest, and they're used to summarize, to restate, or actually to draw your attention in your own words to something that was really important. It's important that you use your own words for marginal notes so that they actually, transfer to long-term memory for you. Another trick is to double underline any main ideas that you run across, and then you can single underline a major detail that would support that. Try not to get in the habit of underlining everything, because just as is the case with highlighting, if everything's underlined, nothing is really important. The equal sign is often used to indicate a definition. So the vocabulary word will occur, it's somewhere in the sentence followed by the definition. The equal sign or the start of the definition will draw your eye quickly to that particular piece of information. Exclamation points can be used when you run across something that's in quite a surprise to you, or perhaps it contradicts something that you had always thought. Some people have minds that love and crave organization through outlines. So you can always do mini outlines in the margin as well. Anytime you have a numbered list in the reading, the 7 leading causes for, make sure that as you hit each of those 7 items, you put a number and maybe even circle the number to draw it to your attention. That way, when you go back to review, you can quickly see the key points that you need from that piece of the reading. Other symbols include things like stars that can be used for whatever purpose you designate them. The important thing is to have a reason for doing the things you do. I left a space on the bottom of this bookmark for you to include other ideas that you may have gotten from the PowerPoint that I created, or the PowerPoint from Saddleback, or from viewing the video resource that I provided for you as well. Marginal notes will be used throughout the semester, and they will also be found on the final exam as well. So it's important early in the semester now to get in the habit of annotating your readings. Thanks.